Hi guys, so it's been quite a lot of time since I've seen you guys, but today I'm back with another video. So today on Scratch we're going to be creating an emoji creator. So let's see how it will look when the project is finished. So as you can see, I can change the emoji color. I might want to make an angry face. Let me select the color red. Okay, and then I'm going to select some angry eyes, and this is perfect for an angry emoji. So we can make so many types of emojis by this emoji creator. So let's start. First of all, we need to write text of emoji color. So I'm just going to delete this cat, and I'm going to select the text. Okay, right here we have emoji color. Okay, that's fine. And then of course we have to increase size. Okay, that size is perfect. Name it emoji color. Then we're going to duplicate this thing, and then we're going to write emoji eyes. So emoji eyes, boom, there you go. Okay, get this a little bit down, right, maybe like here. Okay, yeah, that's fine. A little bit up. Okay, that's it. Then I'm going to name this emoji eyes, and then I'm going to duplicate this again, name it emoji mouse, and then I'm going to write emoji mouse over here. So I'm going to zoom it out, and then boom, 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 there you go. Okay, now we're going to create arrows so that we can get the emoji color forward. Of course we are not doing the backward because there is only a block for next costume, and if you want to create the backwards it will take you so many hours. So like, let's just make forward. So just I'm trying to make an arrow, paint emoji color arrow. I named it that. You can name it whatever you want. Get the line size to 10, and then just make a simple short line, and there you go, you have an arrow. And then give it its position. Okay, so okay, I need to stop selecting the line option. I think maybe right here will be perfect. So let me duplicate this emoji eyes arrow. Okay, yeah, that is fine. Okay, oh, it spawned at the right position. I only have to move it like a little bit. Okay, boom, there you go. Now I'm going to duplicate this again, and then name it emoji mouse. Okay, mouse arrow. Okay, I need to zoom it out. Boom. Okay, like a little bit down, a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Then what I'm going to do is, for this emoji color we need to create like a simple circle. So I'm going to just boom, emoji color is basically going to be the face. So you can say face too, but like, I'm going to change the color of each face. So boom, there you go, a nice and flat face. And then maybe I'm going to fill blue. There you go. This is pretty nice. Okay, yeah, there you go. This is our emoji on the top left corner, and then I'm going to duplicate this and add a different color. I'm only going to be adding 2 costumes so that you guys can understand, but if you want to add like many costumes and many eyes, so you are free to do that. Maybe let's get this color. This is going to be looking nice. So we have 2 colors here, and then I'm going to name it emoji color. Should I name it face? Emoji color face. Yeah, that's it. Then now I'm going to paint another sprite. Alright, create so small eyes, and then I'm going to fill like blue. No, not blue. It'll match our face color. I'm going to be like what should I do over here? Okay, black. There you go. Those are simple eyes, as simple as it can be. Okay, boom, boom. And now I'm going to do Control C, Control V. That means copy paste. And then I'm going to get it on the same thing. Boom, group it. So what you need to do for grouping is go to this cursor sign and you make a simple rectangle like that and select this group. Now it's grouped. So let me give it its position. Okay, yeah, that is so cool. I'm going to name it emoji eyes for the result. Okay, you guys can name it whatever you want, cause I don't want it to be named same as the text. That's why I'm writing emoji for the result. Okay, emoji eyes for the. Okay, now I'm going to like duplicate this thing and maybe add like a little bit white small circle. Circle. Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, those are cute eyes. I like these eyes because they look nice. So now I'm going to group it again, create a small rectangle, group. So now we have 2 eyes. They both look simple and nice. Now I'm going to make a mouth. You can make a line for the first mouth, like just like a still mouth, and then I'm going to give it its position. Okay, you guys can add face, nose too, because like nose will look pretty nice. Yeah, and then I'm going to duplicate this and maybe add 2 more lines. I'm making a line mouth. Okay, yeah, that looks like it. Yeah, you understand it, right? Okay, now I'm going to name it emoji mouth for the ending emoji. Okay, that's a funny name. So now we come to the main code. So I'm going to go to the emoji color arrow, and you have to write when this sprite is clicked, broadcast emoji color forward. So when this sprite is clicked, I'm just gonna zoom it for you guys. Broadcast new message emoji color forward. Okay, so now I have emoji color forward. Now I'm going to go to emoji eyes, do the same thing. When the sprite is clicked, boom, broadcast but not broadcast emoji color forward, broadcast emoji eyes forward. Okay, that's in capital O, I don't know why. Okay, and now we're going to do the same thing for emoji mouth. When the sprite is clicked, broadcast emoji mouth forward. Okay, now we are done with the arrow code. Now what we need to do is the emoji face or color, you can say, in the emoji eyes and emoji mouth. So what we need to do is, I'm going to go to this. When I receive emoji color forward, next costume. So I'm going to write that. When I receive emoji color forward, not broadcast, next costume. So now I'm going to write boom when I receive emoji what is this, eyes, okay, forward, do next costume, and then the same for the mouth. When I receive emoji mouth forward, next costume. So we are finished, guys. This was so fun creating this. So let me show you the end result. The green flag, emoji color. As you can see, we only have 2 colors. You can add more colors, eyes and mouths. And then we have 2 nice little eyes and a nice mouth. So thank you for watching my video. That's it for today. But please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos from me. Bye for now.